New in Unity 6.3, Action Buttons. Added a Manage drop-down menu in the Details panel and gathered most action buttons for UPM packages into this menu. Also added the following new actions to the new Manage drop-down menu. A Customize button, which copies an immutable UPM package to your project's packages folder. The copied package is mutable. Copy packages have the custom label in the Package Manager window. An Open Manifest button for immutable packages, and an Edit Manifest button for mutable packages. These actions bring focus to the Inspector window, which contains details about the selected packages. An Open Manifest Externally button for immutable packages, and an Edit Manifest Externally button for mutable packages. These actions open the Select Packages package.json in your default script editor. And that was the Action Buttons section of the Package Manager section of Unity 6.3.